Hi everyone. So today we have Ashutosh over here with us. Ashutosh, please help us introduce yourself.
Yeah, hi, I'm Ashutosh. I'm founder and CEO at RevRag AI. And we build in-app AI agents, meaning like a Siri inside a Fintech or a BFSI app to help customers get on board, solve their queries, get support from those agents.
That's quite interesting. How did you come up with this idea, and what do you think is the future of AI in terms of building products related? Because now we are hearing there are so many 90% of the companies are failing around in terms of AI, and the investment is also very bifurcated. So what do you have to say on that?
Right. So basically, what we are building, I'll just break it for everyone so that they know what all things that we have. So basically, these agents, yeah. So what we are building is agents for BFSI and Fintech, and what we have seen in the past is BFSI are the ones who basically adopt AI faster than any other industry. So that's why we picked it up and started working on this. Before even starting RevRag, we were building a fintech ourselves. So we did know and had first-hand experience on what is required in a fintech and how basically agents can help on board, agents can solve query, so on and so forth. That's how we stumbled upon this idea. And post that, the second question that you had was around adoption, right? So I think 2025 was more about how you were doing POCs. There were many POCs that were done, but a lot of them actually failed and didn't went into production, right? But today what we are seeing is that the probabilistic nature of AI is being now converted into deterministic nature, right? And that is what we as AI SaaS founders are doing, right? So we are SaaSifying the AI in a way that it becomes deterministic, and we are able to like deploy it overall in production, right? So making it more deterministic is something that we do, and if somebody is able to do that, then probably there are higher chances of going into production, right? And what we and even any banker for that matter, right, is afraid of is the probabilistic nature of the AI. So if your AI is actually hallucinating in production, that means a banker will never be comfortable, right? It is related to money or anywhere, like not just a banker. It can be an e-commerce, it can be I don't know, like many other companies are there, right? So pushing AI in production is hard. To that scale, you have to understand, go deeper and deeper, build deterministic approaches, evaluate AI in a way that everybody understands, and then go to production.
Thank you so much. That's very interesting. My last question to you is, what message do you have for early founders or people who are trying to build an AI? Do you have any message for them? Because now with Claude, every day it's coming up with new updates, and how fast things are moving around. So do you have any message for them or things they should keep in mind? Because you are building here in this very specific field from a long time. So what message would you like to give it to them?
Right. So I think I've told this many a times, and every new or first time founder that I met is actually focused on building, right, before even going to market, right? So this has been told by not just me, like everywhere. This is the first thing that a YC will tell you, any VC will tell you, or a marketer will tell you, or any second time founder or serial entrepreneur will tell you, right? See, building has become much easier today, but distribution remains the same problem, right? So if you want more moat, if you want defensibility, and if you want to build a good product, the math remains the same, right? It's just that the speed of development has significantly reduced. right? So and if you are able to reduce your building speed, your competitors are also. So you have to basically go deeper and deeper into a particular problem, and it should be a delta for solution. And you should first talk to customers, sell, understand, distribute, and then start building. Even what we did was, even we didn't build a product, we sold the product and then start building it, right? So we because we were in the first startup, we had our share of learning, right? So we didn't waste any bit, and basically went into selling it and then building it, right? So I think that would be my 2 cents, or basically to any first time entrepreneur, because that is not changing and it will never change.